Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Inside Out Triangle, where we think outside the box. My name is Teray, and this is Struggle Meal September, meaning that I'm going to get most of the ingredients from the dollar store, possibly even Dollar General or maybe even Walmart. These are going to be affordable meals, easy recipes, and you can make a little or a lot. Today's recipe is one of my favorite, minute steaks, or some people call them steakums, but I call them steak and cheese steaks, depending on which region you're in. So here's what you will need. First, of course, you're going to need bread because it's going to be a sandwich, mayonnaise, ketchup, but you can substitute mayonnaise and ketchup. It really does depend on your preference. Sometimes I use mustard, sometimes I use relish. It's totally up to you. You're going to need cheese.
Cheese?
You can use any cheese you wish. Cheddar, Monterey Jack, Swiss, completely up to you. But the star of this show is Steakum. Now, when you go to Walmart, you can get the other kind. I think it's the great value kind, but I really do prefer Steakum. It costs just a wee bit more, but the quality is a lot better. So, if you're going to make a little bit, then you'll only want the 6 planks, but they have one that's up to like 12 or 18 planks, and that'll be for a lot of people. So with my channel, I always try to think outside the box. So instead of frying, that one's going to come tomorrow. Today we are going to use, thinking outside the box here, a microwave. All you need is a microwave. I don't know why so many people sleep on minute steaks. This is one of my favorite things to make, and it literally takes under 5 minutes to make it. So, you got your microwave. Do you have your plate? You're going to need a couple of forks, your ingredients, and let's get started. Okay, do me a favor. Make sure you have your favorite seasonings with you. Let's go ahead and open up the steakum. We've got our paper plate here. There we go. Now, for one person, because I love this so much, I'm going to use 3 planks. Oh, guys, please forgive me for not wearing nails. I'm thinking that I'm going to do no nails when I do a quick video. When it's a longer video, like more than 5 minutes, I'll have the nails. So forgive my nails. So I'm going to do about 3 planks for one person. You can use 2 planks. You can use 4 planks. It's completely up to you, but I have found that this is the magic number for me. Why do I not have my scissors? Here we go. Take into the old dishwasher and get the scissors. Will make life so much easier. Okay. So, we're going to take the planks and we're going to crumble them up. Don't cook them in the sheet. So just crumble them up and place them on the plate. They don't have to be perfectly chopped. Just a nice rough chop is fine.
Chop, 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 chop.
That's one. Number 2. They were in my deep freezer. I let them out just for a second, just so they can defrost a little bit, so that they'll be a little more crumbly on camera. However, usually I take them straight out of the deep freezer and put them right on the plate. And number 3. Okay, nice and crumbled. You want to spread them out kind of evenly on the plate, because when it cooks in a microwave, all of this is going to get cooked first, the outer edges. So let's spread it out just a little bit. Now, why do you need the forks? If you're a person that likes yours a little finer, then you can use the forks to cut it up just a little bit more. But I'm good with the rough chop. Okay. So we're going to add our seasoning. A little salt. Garlic salt. Pepper. Actually, Monterey steak, but it's got the coarse black pepper that I like in there. And we're going to microwave this on high for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now, it really does depend on your microwave, so keep your eye on it the first couple of times that you cook it in the microwave. But I know 130 is my sweet spot. Okay, so I'm going to take that over to the microwave, and I'll be right back. This is exactly how you want it to look. There's still a little pink there. It's nice and juicy. What you can do now is add a touch more seasoning if you wish. I'm going to fluff mine up just a little bit. Make sure all the seasoning got mixed in nice and good. Now, there's a lot of oil here. Be sure to drain off that oil before you put on your cheese. Okay, looking good. I'm going to give it a quick drain. All right. And then it is time for the cheese. American, shredded, sliced, totally up to you. Place that on top of your meat, just like so. Nothing really fancy. Now at this point, you are just melting the cheese. That's why just a little pink is okay. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave, and then I'll come back. We're going to go ahead and mayo up our bread, put a little ketchup on it, and then this will be ready. And here is the finished product. You've got a lovely steak and cheese. Just please remember that it does create quite a bit of oil. So you'll want to go ahead and drain that oil before you place it on your bread. It's hot, it's delicious, it's cheesy, it's lightly salted, very flavorful. We made this in the microwave, and I kid you not, this sandwich takes less than 5 minutes. Can you put it on a nice hoagie roll, Kaiser roll, even hamburger bun? Absolutely. This is a wonderful meal for when you are ready for just a nice hearty sandwich and you don't feel like taking out the old frying pan. You can pop this puppy, and I'm trying to let you see, pop this puppy right in the microwave. Let's go ahead and cut it open. There we go. So you can see. Move the light a little bit so you guys can see. That is 3 planks of steakum or minute steak. Okay, here's your bite. And here's my bite. Pardon me, excuse me, pardon me. Nice and cheesy. Delicious. Meaty. Again, lightly seasoned. Hot. It's one of my favorite meals. Add some chips on the side and a pickle. This would be great. You can toast the bread. Again, I have no idea why people sleep on this when it's so good and so fast. If you've made it this far, do me a favor, please. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little notification bell down below so you'll know when I'm posting. But for the entire month of September, I will be posting a video every single day. Don't forget that these are difficult times with inflation, gas prices, and food prices, and COVID. So let's be sure to take care of ourselves and each other. If you've made it this far, you know I always try to post a video of the grandcats. So there will be a video right after this. It'll probably be of Squiggles. He's my little buddy. He always follows me around. But here's another look at this delicious sandwich. Cheesy, meaty. Guys, have a great day. Have a blessed day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.